Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I believe everyone is doing great. First of all, I thank God for giving us such a beautiful day. Agi day isor ki bisi things dia se ami kana life nutun aro din bisi bal dia karne aji to hoile do gam banai bole ase in our traditional way. Ami kan chua kan chira kan ki kan duribo nimite chulabo nimite idu karne video to bisi bal pabole ase skip na kori na last tak side bi koi na apni kan request kori ase. I'm going to make a gum in our traditional way where we used to catch bird, mouse or other things by using this gum. So the video will be a very interesting one. Do watch the video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep supporting to my channel guys and keep watching. I'll show you step by step. Step by step dikhane bole ase itu one video side akure guys itu guti ase itu pura ami khan gam banai oila moi khan laga for further time de itu pura takan use kori ne cholai kene gam banai itu gas te pura singi kene moi pura anya dala ase agire. This is the ingredients or the fruits where we use to make a gum. In the olden days, our forefathers used these fruits or the ingredients to make a gum, to catch bark or the other things. And I will show you step by step how we make. So keep watching the video. The video will be a very interesting one. Let's katakan mulai di sini. Guys, tekan na jaga de nawale tekan tinga banai comment section de koi. Do share your views or your opinion in the comment section. I would love to see your comments. Guys, iman uthai parisi de. This much I have collected. Now we are going to boil grill ase. बोल खाने के लिए रख दिया है हम लोग. Then we can boil kora time na 10 to 15 minutes boil kori dibo. Nya mehan kori dibo ase. Nya mehan kori na ami kan banai. Sai la ni kinya banai ule ase. Situ wase dia tu. Sapak ni na. After cleaning, the gum is becoming smaller and smaller. Itu tala camra kan na tala camra kan cover kan lagi tidak sapa grab tidak tu asyik dia tu. After removing all the cover and all these small zebras, it becoming smaller. Hai ha. Ini na. Itu kan litra kan na. Itu kan sob lagi wo. Itu we clean all the dirty things here. Yang ada cepat. Tinggal sedih guys. Jadi gum aja. Now it become a gum. See? सब सफा करना है तो किसी के सफा करना dia tu kotor mesti gam bana laga. Now we have already completed the work. Itu kotor mesti istighfar. तो আজিলৈ video to ইয়াতে পৰা end কৰি দিও. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and God bless you all. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next video.